Hey, how's it going? So in this video, I want to talk to you about how to fix this ModuleNotFoundError for the LangChain community package. To put simply, the LangChain package has been split into three different modules called LangChain Core, LangChain Community, and just LangChain. This separation of packages started when LangChain launched the stable 0.1 version release. So if you use LangChain community modules in your code like I did here, I use the text loader and the chroma modules from LangChain community, you need to install the package. To do so, you need to open the terminal and then type pip install LangChain community. Let's wait a while. And you can see now when the package is installed, the blue squiggly lines disappeared from my VS Code. And that's how you fix the ModuleNotFoundError for a LangChain community module. Just a quick announcement. I want to let you know that I have a free email course called Mindset of the Successful Software Developer. This course is a free 7-day email course where each email unveils a slice of wisdom that I have gained after working in the tech industry for over 9 years. It offers a fresh perspective on what it means to be a happy and successful software developer in a changing world. If you are serious about being a software developer, I believe this resource will be a great help for you. You can enroll in the course using the link in the description.